When people speak about Junkanoo, people speak about the spirit of Junkanoo. It started off in African culture, and it was 2 days out of the year where slaves were given time off to celebrate and to be free. Then the Junkanoo shack is where I learned research. It's where I learned how to travel and the knowledge that I'm gaining, putting them on canvases and kind of sharing it with the world. This exhibition is a two-person show with myself and John Beadle. How we approach the exhibition overall is somewhat of a posthumous collaboration in this room with the big 11-panel painting. That room is a homage to John Beadle. And what I'm doing there is merging spiritual practices that happened in the Bahamas, the Junkanoo wake, and spiritual practices that I have been picking through in Zimbabwe, Kurogova, to together celebrate the life of John Beadle, but also with the intention of calling back his spirit. We can read all the books we want, but I think that travel is where that education comes. So I've been for actually over a decade spending time on the African continent trying to get a better understanding of the African way of spirituality in comparison to the Western way of spirituality. This is an all Bahamian made thing. We are a nation of thinkers and makers and creatives and intellectuals, and it's a great sense of pride to be able to share this with the world.